Oh, didn't see you there. That wasn't vodka, just water. All right, let's get serious. Frozen blending. Now, you haven't experienced frozen blending until you've tried the Ninja Pulse. We truly crush ice into snow for that great resort-style drink. Now, let me walk you through one of my favorites. All of the recipes, again, can be found on this site and in your product guide. Okay, so let's get started. The Cranberry Cosmo Freeze. Frozen cranberries, or fresh if you'd like, cranberry juice, triple sec, and vodka. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna use the 40-ounce processing bowl this time. You can use the single serve if you'd like, but I wanna share today with some of my good friends. Okay, my blade system is already attached in the processing bowl. Again, make sure your blades are attached before adding ingredients. Okay, so let's add the cranberries. All right, come on, guys. Juice. Triple sec. And the vodka. All right. Just to make it a frozen drink, let's go ahead and add some ice cubes as well. Just a handful will do. Really, it depends on the consistency that you want. If you like that really frothy taste, then add more ice cubes. Okay, so I'm ready to blend. I'm gonna attach the pulse lid. Again, remember, pour spout in the front, aligned with the pour spout on your processing jar. And push down tight. All right, push the pulse lid down. Now, make sure, again, you line the processing handle with the lock icons on the motor base. And turn to snap into place. You'll also see an arrow on the motor base just to make sure that you're aligned. Okay, excitement's ready to begin. Now we're ready to start pulsing. Now, unlike the single serve, you use the handle on the pulse lid. Pulse as follows. Yum! Now, what's so great about the pulse technology is it really allows you to control the processing. You can have a little bit chunkier drink if you want to taste those ice chunks, or you can have it nice and smooth. I'm thinking this looks pretty good. I'm gonna blend it just a little bit longer. All right. Now, another great feature of the Ninja is you don't have to take the lid off to pour. Handy pour spout, and you're set to go. Now, let's see. Best part of the job, the taste test. Yum. Okay. Add a little lime. Now, in the 40-ounce, you can share with your friends if you want, but you don't have to.